So what's up guys, today I'm going to show you how you can increase your monitor's display to a higher resolution. So if you have been wondering how you can do that, don't worry, because today I'm going to show you how to do it. The first thing you want to do, I'm going to show you my display's resolution. So you're going to right click and click on personalize. So right click and click on display settings. So I want to show you what my current resolution is set to, and note that this display supports up to 720p, so that is 1366 by 768. So as you can see, it's 1366 by 768. So what you want to do is ensure you are on the latest version of your graphics driver. Okay, here, then you want to go here to settings, then you want to go to display and ensure you have enabled virtual super resolution. So you do that. The first thing, make sure you are on your latest drives. The second thing, you want to enable virtual super resolution. So yeah, then basically that's how you do it. So we're going to close this, and when I come back to display settings, up to display resolution, you can see that I can change up to 2K, that is 1920 by 1080, and I'm not going to have many problems doing this. So when changing, when I click here, your display will flicker, but it will return to normal. So you click keep changes. So that's how you do it. It's that simple, guys.